Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and I am bringing to you 13 days of Halloween inspiration. These are mini albums that I've had for a little bit. They may have been made with paper that you may have in your stash that you've had for a while. I think this paper was from 2017. It was a Recollections paper pad, and if you don't like spiders and snakes, you are not going to like this mini album. So the front cover has this little shaker, and it's done with little spider shaker pieces on it. So there is that. There's like a Black Widow spider dimensional on the cover. Yeah, spiders. It's a large mini album, so you could get lots of photos in here. It's 8.5 by 9 with a 3-inch spine. So lots of room for putting those photos from your Halloween parties or haunted house or whatever. So again, lots of spiders and snakes inside. It's obviously got the gold foiling accent on it. I mean, don't you love that with the spider webs? And so this page is where you would put your first photo. So if you had 4x6 photos, you could put a couple of them on the page, or a 4x6 and a 4x4. If you had your family portraits, they would fit nicely. You could put a 5x7 on this page with no problems. But look how many pictures you can get on this page. You can get a bunch of them. And there is hidden pocket pages. And if you're new to mini albums, this will show you exactly where to put your photo. So there is room there, and then the room for a landscape photo there. And you could put a photo on here if you wanted to. There's nothing to tell you you can't. So again, this would make a nice gift for if you're going to go to a costume party. So lots of spiders on this page. They're not gold foil, but they sort of look it, and there is room to put your pictures either front and center or on that pocket, or just on this page if you wanted to. And here is your hidden photo mat inside there. Gold foiling snake skin. If you don't like snakes, you will not like this mini album. But room for a great spread here. Either your 5x7 or a couple of 4x6s, and room for journaling. There is the photo mat inside, and there's that side of the photo mat. That will go in there. And here's room again for a photo, and room to journal on the back of here. And I love this word scary paper. There's room for photos there, and there's the back of that page. So it's dark, and I mean, spiders and snakes. Oh, and moons. So just something a little different. So room to put your photos there. And there's your hidden photo mat. If you went to a Halloween party and you took pictures, you could get the pictures developed and put them in the album and send this to the hostess of the Halloween party, and they would have this as a memory. There's a sparkle there. They would have this as a memory of their party, and that would be a great gift. You would be invited back next year. So there we go. There is the Venom mini album for Halloween. But that is what I have for you. I hope you enjoy seeing this inspiration. If you have this paper pad, there are some things you could do with it. I do not have a tutorial on this one, but again, hopefully you'll be inspired. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.